Alright, this is step 3, and now we are going to build the page that is going to have our items on it. And we're actually going to do the categories page. And the reason is because we're going to similarly separate the main categories and show all of the items that fall under that main category. So we're going to go here, do add dynamic page. I always choose a blank page and then add to site. Right, we have our Wix categories, and we can see which category we're on here. Since I added a lot under Brinkos, I'm going to go to this page. I'm going to pull this and just give us some space here. And so for this step, we're just going to set up the layout of our page. Start with a list, and we're going to start with a repeater. I just kind of like to use blank repeaters. Again, it's just a little bit easier to add to it as opposed to trying to make something else work. So we will have more items in here, but like I said, I just want to get this set up initially. So now we're just going to do an image, and I always like to just do a free image. So just do this one. Doesn't matter. So this part is going to be set up really however you want it to with the additional information in the repeater. I am just focusing on images for the time being. So once we have this, I actually want to highlight this repeater, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to duplicate it. And the reason is that it's just going to make things a little bit easier. And I'm going to paste that duplicate. Oop. Just come here and right click again and duplicate again. And however you want these items, like I said, organized, this is just to show you. And then now, I'm just going to do an image here. So it doesn't look like much now, but what we'll end up doing is we're going to connect each repeater to its own data set. And then these images will be connected to this data set, which I will show you how to get those set up in the next video. But basically, wherever you want this big image, you'll do repeater, repeater, image, repeater. And then if you want, you can add another image here and do another repeater and just keep doing that way, alternating.